Back in Phuket. For most people, coming to Phuket means coming for holidays, but for me it means coming back to work. Even though it's Saturday, I'm getting on this one and going to distribute the flyers of my school to important places in Phuket. Recording on my camera stopped automatically because Hannah lost my SD card, the one that I was using before, and now I'm stuck with a small, slow 2 GB SD. So except for distributing those flyers, we're gonna go to a shop and buy a new SD card. I made it before, or maybe right after the rain. I don't know. All that matters is that I didn't get wet. I found it. Okay. Cup gap. Thank you. Do you see the difference? The cheap 2 GB card swapped for a 32 GB, so the movies will get longer. Nah, no they won't. But I can save more footage, which is great. On to the next one. I think this is the first time I spend money on vlogging. So do click those subscribe buttons and likes and shares and comment if you feel like it. No wonder I am losing my bike key. It just doesn't stay inside. I think I'll keep it in my pocket. This is the first spot where I want to drop off some flyers. There are some children activities up there. Indoors playground. And some other stuff that kids can take advantage of. Let's see. That went very well. I met an owner of a play center, left my flyers there. I met a Taekwondo master and I invited him to come to our school and do a presentation and left some flyers with him. And I met an owner of a store with toys and other stuff, also left my flyers there and took their flyers. And downstairs I met an owner of a music store who also runs music classes for kids. So he will also show our flyers, and I will write to his boss. Maybe they can send somebody to the school to do another presentation, do some fun class with kids. Because that's what this school is all about. Not just sitting at the desk and traditional learning, but doing interesting activities and fun. And that's why I love the school. That's why kids love the school. That's why Hannah loves the school. So it's cool to work for it. And now on to the next one. has actually been 5 days since I came back from Bangkok, since all these hotels vlogs that I showed you. But the last 5 days in Phuket, we had non-stop rain. And when I say non-stop, I mean non-stop. It was raining all day and all night, every day and every night, for 5 days in a row, from if I'm counting right. Even if it wasn't 5 days, it felt at least like 5 days, if not longer. I was really tired of this. Today is the first day that some sun finally came out. Though not now. There was sun in the morning, now it's cloudy again, but at least it's not raining. So I'm outside. And what's happening here? I think a tour boat just came back from a day tour. I bet the business was slow for these guys too. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of boats like this leaving and coming back to Phuket every day for one-day cruises in Phang Nga Bay, mostly going to famous rocks and little islets like the James Bond Island and others. And Koh Phi Phi, and diving, and snorkeling. People having fun. But I'm going here, Kids Mania, to promote Gecko School. This was just excellent. The lady who works at this Kids Mania is fantastic. She's very energetic and she wants to do a lot of things. They will be having a market for kids soon at the beginning of this month, so we'll be joining for sure and doing a lot of other fun things that hopefully will get the name of Gecko out there. So working Saturday, but hopefully it will bring results in the near future, because we can have, we want, and we need more kids at the school.